Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tuna pie using bread. First, drain 2 cans of tuna well and set aside. Next, gather your bread slices, about 8 to 10, and any vegetables you plan to include, like a 1/4 cup of diced celery and a 1/4 cup of diced onion. Ensure you have mayonnaise, about 1/2 cup, and your preferred seasonings ready for mixing. Now let's create the delicious tuna filling. In a medium bowl, combine your well-drained tuna with 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. Add your diced celery and onion. Season with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and any other herbs you enjoy, like a dash of dried dill. Mix everything gently until it's evenly distributed and creamy. Next, we'll assemble our pie. Take each slice of bread and flatten it with a rolling pin until it's thin. Arrange these flattened slices in a 9-inch pie dish, overlapping them slightly to form a solid crust. Make sure the bread covers the bottom and extends up the sides. Then, spoon your prepared tuna mixture evenly over the bread base. Finally, it's time to bake your tuna bread pie. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the pie for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the bread crust is golden brown and the filling is heated through. Once baked, let it cool for 5 minutes before slicing. Serve warm and enjoy your homemade tuna pie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.